How can you prevent any loss in SEO value during an e-commerce migration?
Any migration is a risk. That's important. So you can't guarantee that there won't be any losses. You can just make sure that with all the steps that I outlined, you can make sure that that everything will be done properly, but you can't guarantee that there will be no losses whatsoever. So as I said, if this is just a simple migration, domain change or something like that, then the recent domain change that I helped client with, there was no loss at all. So 100% not satisfaction, but 100% rate of not losing anything. But with smaller, with bigger changes, there can be some potential losses because Google needs to reevaluate everything. So just don't do this in the during Black Friday or something like that. Do it in the really slow season. Yeah, but if you have all the redirects in place, if you don't mess up with robots.txt or no index or something like that, you can mitigate these risks.